On Windows, there are just two pieces of software that I'd recommend you download for this course, and they are the Chrome browser and Notepad++. So let's get Chrome first. On Windows, just open up your browser and then type download Chrome into your browser window. That should get you a bunch of links which will lead to downloading Chrome, and that will get you to this page where you click the Download Chrome button. It's optional whether you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser and whether you choose to send the usage statistics as well. The reason we're using Chrome is because it has great developer tools which will allow you to look at the code of your pages and see what the errors are in your JavaScript or whatever language you're working in at the time. So once it's downloaded, just click Run to download the setup file, say yes to allow it to make changes on your PC, and then that will go through the process of downloading the latest version of Chrome and installing it on your machine. As it happens, I already have Chrome running on my machine, so I'm actually going to stop it there, but you should just complete the installation and then you'll have Chrome running on your computer. To get Chrome running, just click in the search box and start typing Chrome, and there it'll be. If you're on a different version of Windows, then it should appear on this start menu list as well. So this is Chrome. If you haven't used it before, it works in the same way as all other internet browsers. So we can use it to download Notepad++. There are a number of free text editors on Windows. So click download. Notepad++, I think, is the most powerful and versatile and easy to use. Essentially the best one, I think, for people to get started with when they're starting to code. So then just click the big download button and that will download it for you. It shouldn't take very long. It's only 4 megabytes. And then when that's complete, click on the installer, and this time I will go through the whole process with you. Click OK to select the language, and then next. I agree, next, and I'd use all the default options there. Next, and again, all the default options, you can change those if you want, but I'm going to leave them as they are, and then we'll just let the install process do its job. There we go. And finally, we'll run Notepad++. And there we go. And to get an HTML file, I'm just going to get you started by using Save As in the File menu. And then I would just get started by going onto the desktop and choosing a file name like webpage.html, and if you use the .html extension, that will save as a .html page, and then just clear out the text and use Control S to save, and then I'll just set you up with the view that we'll have for most of this course, which is the Chrome browser on the left. If you drag that all the way over to the left, it'll give you a beautiful split screen there with your HTML file on the right and Chrome right there for you on the left. Fantastic. In the next video then, we'll see how to set up your very first web page by creating an HTML file in your text editor and then viewing it in your browser. I'll see you there.